What if I told you that you can measure how connected you really feel with your partner? Most couples only have a vague idea and don't know what connection is really about. The truth about connection is that it is not one thing. It happens in 4 dimensions of a relationship. Everyday moments, enjoyable moments, important conversations, and after conflict. And in each of these dimensions, it always begins with a simple experience of feeling heard. Our ultimate connection evaluation measures how connected you feel in each of these 4 dimensions. And it shows where connection is strong and where it is not strong. So if you need clarity because you want a lasting, strong relationship, simply download the connection evaluation from our website free and complete it today.